video helps you be more confident. Forget about the troubles, the worries of your day. Grab yourself a tall glass of juice and let's get ready to learn and laugh. Remember to blink. Most people stop blinking once the camera turns on. They hear action and they freeze up. Their lips are saying words, but other than that, nothing is moving. It looks like this. I am talking to my camera, but I am not blinking, and I am taking really short breaths. But do you guys see what I mean? You completely look robotic. It doesn't look comfortable, and it's just hard to watch. So people are naturally gonna run for cover because they don't want to see it. It's cringeworthy. So remember to blink those beautiful lashes that you guys have. It makes me think of Minnie Mouse because she always said. Anyway, remember to blink, remember to breathe. Step number 2, make eye contact. Make eye contact with your lens. A lot of people, myself included, we sometimes tend to veer off to the monitors, or, because you want to make sure as a creator, it is a real fear that you are going through your script. You have spent so much time in preparation only to realize you're out of focus. Or to realize that your hair was sticking up in the back, or to realize, I don't know, your camera wasn't even on. So it's a real fear to check your monitors, to do this, do that. And I'm not saying don't do it, but make it minimal and make it so that people don't realize that you're doing it. Now with this camera, I do have a monitor right above the camera. So this is me looking at the monitor, but it kind of still looks like I'm looking at the lens. This is me lens watching. That's a word I just made up. But this is me looking at my lens, and this is me looking at my monitor. And it's so close, I actually prefer to look at the monitor, but I don't think people notice. So let me know in the comments, can you tell I'm looking at a monitor, or does it look like I'm looking at the lens? And step number 3, place a picture of the person that makes you feel most comfortable, the person that you can talk to about anything. Place a picture of that person behind your camera. I promise you, either they're gonna make you smile, and that's gonna cause you to blink, and you're gonna start to feel more relaxed because you feel like you're talking to a friend. You feel like they are with you. I can't talk today, but you feel like they are there with you. To make it even better, have them sit in on one of your recording sessions. Like, have them there, and just them being there is gonna give you that energy that you need to portray on camera, and your audience is really going to resonate with that. They're gonna feel that. They're gonna see you blinking, smiling, breathing, and they're gonna feel like you are really connected with them. They're gonna feel like you're talking directly to them, and they're gonna love it. Number 4, write a script. Write a script. Go through that script, read it, kind of see the flow that you want to take when you are recording. Practice that. And then once you have your script and you have practiced your script, print out, write out bullet points that you want to cover in your video. Do not try to read your script while you are recording. You can't see the paragraphs. You're going to feel overwhelmed, like I can't see it, what does that say? It's going to be all over the place. You're going to start to try to improvise, and when you start improvising, things can go left really quick. For a moment, improvisation. I guess that's the word. You can improvise for a moment, but to continuously try to just wing it in your video, you are gonna get stuck. You're gonna have to redo, retake, and time is everything when you're recording your videos. So you definitely wanna give yourself a cheat sheet, which I call bullet points, and you want to give yourself a guide. You will appear more confident because you know what you're talking about, you know what topics you want to cover, and your audience is gonna be like, wow, mind blown, confidence. My last step for you guys is watch your tone and watch your posture. If you're telling a sad story or you're making a sad video for your audience, then yes, slouch your shoulders, lower your voice, give a little energy. Because you want that emotion to come across to your audience. If you're not telling a sad story and you're telling an uplifting story, something that is meant to inspire people, you are trying to get the message to the people, you definitely want to sit up. You definitely want to have your head up. You definitely want to enunciate and elocute because you want them to see, to feel, to get some of that good energy. You don't want to hunch your shoulders or, hey guys, I really want you to be motivated. Right on. Posture and your tone of voice can really annihilate an audience from you. Remember, 80% of language, of communication is non-verbal. So people are hearing what you say, but they're more so looking at your actions. They are following your tone of voice. So that gives the body, the brain, context clues as to what is going on, like how you want them to feel, and people don't want to feel down. Nobody likes a Debbie Downer. So that was my last step, but I want to recap with you guys. Step number 1, remember to blink and to breathe. Step number 2, make eye contact with your lens. Don't forget that. I know you want to watch the monitor. We're gonna cut it out in 2020, no more. We're gonna look at the lens, not the monitor. 3, place a picture of your friend or have your friend sit in on one of your recording sessions. 4, write a script, write out, type out bullet points. 5, which we just went over, watch your posture and watch your tone of voice. I hope you got tons of value out of this video. If you want to learn more and grow your brand, I post videos every Thursday and Friday on social tips and side hustle strategies. And we are just cultivating a community and a tribe of entrepreneurial warriors. If you missed my last video, you can check it out there. And you can see another one here. Comment confidence in the comments below to let me know that you guys are really gonna apply these tips and appear more confident in your videos all 2020. Let's get it. Thank you guys. Bye.